Hello students, in this particular audio lecture session I will continue with my discussion regarding the rules and guidelines of article writing. So 4 golden rules for writing an article. These 4 rules are very important. Number 1, focusing on the subject or thinking about the topic, the ideas associated with the subject, very important. Next one, collecting ideas or assembling ideas, which involves collecting as many ideas on the subject through brainstorming or discussion. It also means gathering information from various sources while you are writing an article. Now, number 3, a rough draft, if possible, can be prepared. That rough draft can help to edit yourself what you are about to write in a fresh and fair manner. And number 4, revising, involving looking at the drafted version carefully and critically. Look at the draft from the reader's point of view and remove any phrases or sentences which are awkward or abstract. Yes, and if any sentence is awkward or abstract, you remove it. So the important thing is that how we can judge it, obviously by revising the points or revising the drafted version of the article writing before you make it fair and fresh. Now, what are the essential features of a good composition? This is very important. This also there is a 5 points related with that. First one is coherence. It means that the idea should fit together. It should assemble, it should fit together. Flow. It means that sentences should be linked up. Number 3, relevance. Every idea must relate to the topic. We should not divert ourselves from the main topic. We should not drift ourselves from the main topic. Order. The ideas must be effectively and logically organized. Yes, the ideas must be effectively and must be logically organized. And number 5, inclusiveness. Anything not very important must be omitted. Yes, anything not important or not totally related with the topic can be omitted. And what is the article writing format? Now the next topic of discussion is that article writing format. In what way we should do it? When a student has to attempt a question on article writing, he or she has to follow the article writing format as prescribed by CBSE. Here you can see how to write the article format in detail. The format of an article consists of the following parts. Heading, number 1. These are the formula that you should all know. Heading, then byline, and finally the body. Now what does heading means? This is very important. The heading should be catchy. I already told you the beginning sentence must be very attractive. It should be very catchy and in not more than 5 to 6 words. You can go as creative as you want with this one. Just make sure you do not devote too much time on it in the exam. Yes, but you should not devote too much time in constructing a critically and terrific heading. Then obviously you will lose a lot of time. Now what is byline? The second important formula in this article writing structural format is byline. Now what exactly is byline? It refers to the name of the person writing the article. Suppose you are writing, then you can jot down your names, or you can write by XYZ or ABC or your first initial name. It is generally given in the question. If not given, then you do not write your personal details. You can write ABC or XYZ. Sometimes names are also given in the question paper only. You can jot down. If not, then write by ABC or by XYZ. Now, you are not supposed to mention any of your personal details while attempting the answers in the exam. So, dear students, no need to give any personal details. Now, the body. It is the main part of your writing piece. It generally consists of 3 to 4 paragraphs. Yes. Now the important thing is that The body, it consists of 3 to 4 paragraphs. Now, importance of paragraph. Paragraph, it is always prescribed that you begin with a short introduction on the topic. At the very beginning, you start your article with a short intro. Its meaning to be very concise, it should be precise, it should be accurate. Briefly tell what the article is about, giving some quotations or startling facts to arouse the interest of the readers. You can give some amazing facts, startling facts at the very beginning to arouse the interest of the readers. Now, paragraph 2 and 3, or paragraph 2 or 2, 3, the second last and the last paragraph, because I already told you 3 paragraphs are a must. Now, this part can be written in either 1 or 2 paragraphs. You can make it in 1 paragraph, but it's better you make it 2 paragraphs. You are required to do a complete analysis of the subject matter in question. It may include types. Now, here you have to completely analyze the subject matter that you are attempting or the one you are writing about. Now, types. In how many forms does the problem exist? You are required to mention the various possible types, if it exists. Any other relevant or relevant information related to a particular topic. If there is any problem that is based related with the topic that you are writing about, suppose it is about global warming, suppose it is about save water, save life, and what are the problems that we face, whether those problems do exist, then you have to mention, you have to write something on that. If apart from that, if any other relevant topic is there, then obviously those things are also to be written down. Now, if you are attempting any article writing based on current scenario, then what you will do? Then in that case, you need to explain the current situation. If you are writing something on demonetization, or you are writing something on COVID-19, suppose, then obviously you have to analyze the current situation, because it is a current affair based topic. The problems and whether after any corrective actions betterment in the situation has been observed or not. So those things, if you are writing something related with any current scenario, then you have to highlight the problems, and also side by side you have to highlight the remedial things if possible. Now, that means what I am trying to say, advantages and disadvantages both are to be mentioned. Now, cause and effect relationship, this is also very, very important, dear students. Develop the cause and effect relationship by supporting it with facts or data. You may also write the consequences. Cause and effect relationship also. You can also write the facts or data. You can also write about the consequences also. Now, talking about marks, I already repeated it previously also in some of my other PPT audios, that article writing is of 8 marks. Now, format is 1 marks, content 3 marks, expression 3 marks. In this case, grammatical accuracy 1.5, coherence and relevance of ideas or style, it is also 1.5. So that is very, very important. So there lies some of the structural information and related with rules and guidelines that we have to follow while writing an article. I hope you have understood a bit, dear students, regarding this. Listen to this PPT audio presentation on article writing and clarify your doubts if any. Thank you.